Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Iswan here again. So today we are going to be doing some press on nails. Way back we used to do this before the acrylic and the gel nails came in. Now these are easy and fast, and it can come in very handy, especially if you don't know how to do your acrylic and your gel nails. So let's just get started. So to start, I'm just going to file my nails a little bit, and I'll come in with a gel base coat. This actually protects your nails. So I have here my fake nail, and this is a transparent. What I will do is that I'll come in with my a little bit of the base coat. I'll use this as glue, so I'll just paint the inside with just a little bit of my gel base coat. I'll just stick it on my nail and cure it for about 1 minute. This will act as my glue. This is safer for your nails. So I'm all done with my 5 fingers. Next, I'll come in with a base coat. So I'll come in with my Kiko Milano nail polish, and this is in the color violet. Finally, I'll come in with a top coat to give it that extra shine. And here we are, we all done now. As you can see, it was so easy and fast, and they do last as long as the acrylic and the gel nails. So you can give it a try if you want something simple and quick. And I must say, obviously you are gonna save some money on this. Okay guys, so I hope you did like it, and I hope you are gonna give it a try. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Until next time, I'm gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.